So a channel that I like put a video up the other day. He was apparently having some trouble with people getting into one of his sheds and stealing things, and he got a lock like this. I got it off of Amazon. It's you just slide this through this and then turn this up, and it's supposed to be for a gate or a shed for keyed entry or whatever. And he sounded confident in it. And a lock is better than no lock, because a lock is going to keep most people out. But I just didn't want anybody to have a false sense of security, because I like the guy's channel, and I just want him to know the limitations of the lock. It's Mitch Tools. They do good stuff. I like their videos. So first off, I'm going to take the double-sided jiggler. And so yeah, the double-sided jiggler. It's right here. That double-sided, or the twin peak rake. And give me, so now I'm going to try with just a straight piece of metal. And then I'm not going to single pin pick this. Yeah, just rake it open. Again, this isn't attacking anybody's decisions or what they're doing, because a lock is better than no lock anytime. I just happen to do the lock sport thing, so I've seen that and thought of several ways to just get through it instantly. But that's me, not a criminal. And I like Mitch Tools' YouTube channel, so in no way, shape, or form am I saying anything is wrong. I just wanted you to be informed that these wafer locks are really not the greatest locks, but if it's for a low security application with opportunists, then you're probably good.